Thing was just on fire and I can touch it already.
Maybe I'm gonna put on this side so it looks like it.
Ooh, jeez.
Isn't it beautiful? What was that? Whoa. I don't think that was safe to look at. I did. What if I was freaking with the inside so the turntable keeps like... Did that without any sound.
Jeez.
Some PA plasma. Oh. That one's still glowing.
It looks fine.
She had to put one more at least. See that?
I wonder if they fused at the middle. I want this giant one. And then these. I'm gonna fuse some.
Yeah. Oh. The other one's what? Besides coconut?
Why is that on fire instantly?
Yeah, I don't like coconut. That's probably why.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yes. That's why we should be using this tray.
What's going on in there?
I don't know, but it went wah wah wah. It's just a filament going that thing.
It's burning.
Yeah, that's awkward.
It's giving me signals over here too.
Does that mean it's too hot?
I don't know, but it's saying something. One more time?
No, not yet. Need to adjust in there. Actually, yeah, let's see if we can fuse them. Wait one. Oh.
It's still.
Oh, one's split in half.
Yeah.
Back up.
Can we?
Not yet.
Sure.
You do this now?